Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to save TikTok videos without save option. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, open your TikTok application and now go to video you want to save. After that, tap on share option right here. And after opening share option, tap on copy link. Now go back and open a fast browser. Now here search for SSS TikTok. After that tap on first website. Here you can paste this link and tap on download. After a couple of seconds you will see same video right here. You can download it without watermark by tapping here. So tap on download. After that you can also download app so which you can download your video. So here we go. So that's the same video I downloaded by tapping here. So that's the same video I see on TikTok. So that's how you can save your video without save option. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.